Bay leaves are a spice commonly used to flavor soups and meat dishes for their light, herbal flavor. They are rich in antioxidants and vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, which support a healthy immune system. Bay leaf tea can help ease bouts of upset stomach and relieve sinus pressure or stuffy nose. Black seeds, also known as Nigella sativa, have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. They are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which help protect the body from harmful substances. Black seeds are also known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, boost the immune system. Ingredients: bay leaves, saffron,